In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your experience on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to refine the appearance of your profile or simply wish to keep certain details private, this guide will help you manage your LinkedIn settings efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to LinkedIn's website. Head over to your web browser and type in linkedin.com. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and sign in using your preferred method. You have the option to sign in with your Google or Microsoft account, or you can use your email address and password for access. Remember, your login credentials are sensitive information, so ensure they're kept private. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your account. In this case, they'll send a verification code to your phone number, and you'll need to enter this code to proceed further. This additional security step is crucial for keeping your account safe. Once you're logged in, you should see your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile picture, and a drop-down menu will appear. Next, from this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This will lead you into the settings area of your LinkedIn profile. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a sidebar with various categories for your account settings. Find and click on Visibility. This section is essential as it controls who can view your LinkedIn profile and its contents. Once you've selected Visibility, you'll see another option called Visibility of your profile and network. Click on it to delve deeper into your visibility options. Within this section, look for Edit Your Public Profile. Clicking on this will bring up several toggle switches. These switches let you manage the parts of your profile that are visible to the public. To hide your past work experience specifically, find the toggle for Past Experience and switch it to Off. Doing so will effectively hide the experience section from anyone viewing your profile publicly. Furthermore, if you wish to curate your profile even more, you can choose to hide other sections like certifications or skills as well. This way, you can precisely control what potential employers, colleagues, or connections see when they visit your LinkedIn profile. It's worth noting that changes made to your public visibility settings may take a bit of time to fully reflect. So, if you happen to check your profile immediately and notice the changes aren't visible yet, simply give it a little while and check back later. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to manage the visibility of your experience on LinkedIn. With these adjustments, you're in control of your profile's appearance and the information you share with the public. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.